How to check someone's Instagram account with a photo. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to check someone's Instagram account with a photo, first of all launch the Chrome browser on your device and make sure you have the photo ready to keep on searching for the Instagram account. So what you simply need to do is just tap on the search bar and then tap on the Google Lens option. As you tap on the Google Lens option, it will take us to a new page over here. So just tap and give that access and then tap on the gallery icon, and as you give access to your photos and videos over here, it will show us this picture as well. So just tap on the picture and then tap on, and at the bottom you'll be able to see all the results. So just wait for a while and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So while it's searching over here, it is going to give us all the results over here. So we're just going to search and we'll be able to see the Instagram account for this particular person as well. So we can just go to the very bottom over here and then tap on the picture and search for Instagram. So let's scroll down, and as you scroll down here, you'll be able to see all the Instagram over here. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection, and over here through the photo we'll be able to see their profile as well on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.